Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So earlier today I ran into an issue with VS Code. So basically I updated my VS Code, and anytime I start it now, this is what happens. So let's start code right now. So when you start code, it just shows this blank screen. Nothing actually happens, like you don't see the buttons to go to extensions or the navigation menu, all that. It just does this. But when you hover over those areas, you can see the cursor changing to a pointer, which means they are there, just not visible. So according to the VS Code docs, you have to disable GPU acceleration. So when you start code here, then you disable GPU acceleration. So disable GPU. So when you start it like this, so it starts this time, it should work. Okay, so I think I have to close VS Code first. So let's close this, and let's close this also. Okay, so now that it's closed, let's run this again. So code GPU, disable GPU. So as you can see now, it's happening, it's working. But I can't really say what the issue is with mine because it was working previously. So anytime I type code, it works. But after I updated it to this version, I don't know what happened. So if you have a solution for me that doesn't involve me typing disable GPU every time, that would be nice. But for now, just revert back to the old version and live with that. So thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.